Welcome to SMF Street for SMF Street traders. Everyone qualifies to be a trader at SMF Street. StockMarketPunding.com doesn't care if you have experience or not. It doesn't matter. You get a 5 free day trial. You're going to watch us make a lot of money. The thing about this trade for our SMF Street traders, we have options expiration that just so happens to start tomorrow on 8/16 and ends on 8/20. And because of our expertise in options, is we're going to first take a look. We'll be taking a look at the 470 put, the 490 call, the $500 call, and I'm also going to throw in there, because that 470, which is in the money, I'm going to throw in, what I'm going to throw in for the SMF Street traders, I'm going to throw in that 480 call as well. So I'm giving, and you're going to get all your entry prices. I'm not going to give out entry prices in the video. If people want to watch these entries, then they can come for a 5-day trial and watch how we buy them. Okay? Period. Now, on the other hand, folks, I'm going to take that 480 put, and I'm going to put that right there. And basically, I've got a weekly chart up here. I've got a weekly chart right here on Google. When we were buying it back over here at the lows, when they started the summer rally, we came up. The bearish part is the 20-week has fallen in price, but you got a lot of good support over here. And here, let me go to page save. So we have our option trades in there for the expiration. We love expiration, don't we, SMF Street traders? We make more money during this 5-day period than any other day out of the month. It's right in that options expiration week. And you'll never know what that was until you come and take a 5 free day trial and watch us do it right before your very eyes. So everyone qualifies regardless of experience. You get a 5-day free trial to get started. Go to the home page on StockMarketPunding.com. Click on the free 5-day trial link. If you'd like to get involved in the free 5-day trial, come to the website, click on free 5-day trial sign up. You can also get logged in our database by clicking on the sign up button. Put your name and your email and simply hit the sign up button, and then we'll get to know you at SMF. And I'm telling you, to sit in on an options expiration week with SMF is, there's not, I can't even put a value on it, because look at, we're market makers there, and this is how you can get involved. It's just that simple. Okay, I'm not going to give pricing on the video, but we'll do the pricing off video for these events. So what I am going to tell everyone here is that on this weekly chart, we are going to measure that. If we come down and test that blue line, which is that 20-week, we're going to look at what kind of premium that they take out of this in the money. And here, I'll show it down here for you so that you'll even get more excited. So let's go down here and show you that $480 call in the money, which is right here. That was this last week, folks. All SMF Street traders, be advised, you're going to get this. There's a lot of money here to be made. I'm sorry. The high was 24.70 this last week, and the public rode them all the way down like they love to do. Now the SMF Street trader is going to get some wholesale pricing, because if we end up holding the 480 support level on that 10-week moving average, and I'm going to draw a line for the SMF Street traders, there's happier bar at 476. That's where we'll be doing the pricing here as well on this 470 call and that 470 put. So I'm going to put that 470 call in there so that you're not left behind. And that 470 call is right here. And they've taken a lot of premium out of that one. And so basically it depends on how we're going to set up here on this weekly chart. Right now, we may be forced to move in right away, but we'll do the pricing in the next video on the options. And that will be a private video specifically for the pricing. It won't be a public video. It'll be set on private settings, and you can all look back at your pricing levels in these options. Right now, what we're going to take a look at is that this call option, which was the 480 call, is just, let me tell you, after I give the pricing, you're going to love it, because if we hold support here on half of our weekly SMF Street weekly bar at support and they drop that down, they're going to steal that premium, and they're going to steal that 400, this premium right here, just to let you know, is going to drop in value. And I'll give you the entries on the next video. And that's, oh boy, this stands to set up to be a huge trade for the SMF Street Pro trading staff. So these are all the calls that we'll be doing on the next video. The weekly chart, like I said, let's take a look at some of the other alarms that I want you to set. Right now, what I would like you to set on the 200 week is if it's 488.11. Now, if we don't want to break below that on a closing level, then we're going to be buying the 480 call. If they drop it down to the 10-week moving average, that's at 478.63. I would like the SMF Street traders to set alarms right now that are in the training session. Set me an alarm at 479.25 on that 10-week moving average. In case it doesn't get down there and it gets slightly above it, we're going to know that, which will be right across the bottom handles here. At 480.50 is that bottom right over here where we put in that last high, and there's that weekly reversal. So let's get that done. Technically, if I stay above, the only bearish thing about it is that the 20-week is falling in price. So that's why you got to be buying lower at the support level so it can jump back up there and trade back up to it. It just depends on which way it comes into us. So basically, it's got more of a bullish setup with that green line, the 200 week. Naturally, if the 10 week stays intact and that tests support and we bounce, we're looking at the blue line at the 10 week. So really, it's a good chart.